peeps, we are here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg at the grand opening of the Big Bad Wolf. It is opening today. You can see there's a line behind me to be some of the first people to ride this new 11th roller coaster at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. And we've been building up to this day for quite a while, sharing with you construction updates and, rumors. I mean, literally from when it was a rumor. Riding the train, going over everything that was, culminating in today's event. Now, it's here. We've ridden it. We really actually enjoyed it quite a bit. It's a great family coaster. So, it's got like great theming, the Bavarian Village and all that kind of stuff. But we've ridden it now. It's here. It's open. People are riding it. So I think the big question is, now that the Big Bad Wolf is open, now that the Busch Gardens 50th anniversary celebration has happened, what's next at Busch Gardens Williamsburg? And we're going to talk about a little bit of that in today's video. We're going to talk about things that have been officially announced, things that have not been officially announced for the rest of 2025 and beyond. Well, and it's convenient that we are here in Oktoberfest because the first thing we want to talk about is a new 50th anniversary show coming to Oktoberfest this June called We Are Oktoberfest. It's a new song and dance show in the Fest House. It's going to be really fun. Right now they're showing an UPA band, but We Are Oktoberfest is just kind of a 50th anniversary celebration, sharing German traditions and songs and things like that. So that'll be really fun and a great way to continue the 50th anniversary celebration. And we're still in Oktoberfest because I want to talk about the next fun event coming this summer in June. We're in front of Dark Coaster, which is one of the rides open during Coasters After Dark, a new nighttime event. During Coasters After Dark, which takes place on Friday, June 13th, you can ride roller coasters like the Big Bad Wolf from 9 p.m. to midnight. It is a separately ticketed event, but included in your admission is event entry, a popcorn voucher, a fountain drink voucher, and one free collectible cup. And you can ride roller coasters like the Big Bad Wolf, Dark Coaster, Verbolten, Alpengeist, and of course other select attractions. We're in front of one of my favorite food and wine booths, Jamaica. Now, Food and Wine is running right now as of the release date of this video and will continue through June 22nd. And of course, already started and during the Summer of Wonder event happening throughout the summer here at Busch Gardens, you've got the concert series. We talked a little bit about this in a previous video. So you've got the I Love the 90s, you've got a Pearl Jam tribute band, Queen tribute band, Pop 2000 tour. Bunch of different bands coming up. There's a QR code, but just go to buschgardens.com and it'll have all the listing of the shows that are coming to the event and kind of give you a little bit of detail on how you can get tickets to like special reserve seats at the show. And as the Summer of Wonder wraps up, we're standing in front of this beer stein to talk about the rest of the major events coming this year to the park, including Beer Fest. Beer Fest will be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and Labor Day from August 1st to September 1st. And then, of course, we round out the year with our favorite events of the year, Howl-O-Scream from September 5th to November 2nd, and Halloween Spooktacular during the day, as well as Christmas Town starting on November 14th to round out the year. And here we are in front of Prost Patio, which is a very imaginative way in which Busch Gardens found a way to utilize the space previously occupied by Mock Tower. Now, also one of the rumored locations for an upcoming flat ride coming to the park. Busch Gardens Williamsburg recently sent out a survey kind of gauging members' reactions to upcoming potential ride ideas coming in 2026 and beyond. We've already talked a little bit about the potential Le Mans Speedway return, but they had some new things that they talked about. So let's look at those now. A family-friendly driving ride that lets guests of all ages take the wheel of colorful European-style race cars. Picture driving along a scenic, winding track, easy to drive, fun to race, and perfect for future racers, and similar to the Le Mans Raceway that used to be at the park. Step into a world of fairy tales with a possible new dark ride inspired by the Brothers Grimm. with spooky twists, magical scenes, and a one-of-a-kind ride system that glides, spins, and surprises that makes you feel like you're living the story. Flying over Europe without ever leaving the park, similar to the Europe in the Air ride that Busch Gardens used to have. An immersive, multi-sensory ride concept would take guests soaring through iconic landmarks and landscapes with stunning visuals and thrilling motion effects. A next-level roller coaster might be on the horizon, featuring vertical launches, weightless airtime, inversions, and track elements unlike anything we've seen before at Busch Gardens. A water ride that plunges you into Europe's most epic eras. From ancient Roman ruins to medieval castles and steam-powered tunnels, this ride would blend coaster excitement with cool splashes and immersive storytelling. A brand new animal habitat might be in the works, featuring unique species not currently found in the park. Otters, lynx, bison, or even black bears, along with interactive presentations that deepen the connection between guests and the natural world. And finally, a pair of spinning, swaying flat rides designed for the whole family. With every twist and swing, these attractions could bring non-stop smiles and laughter to guests of all ages. Why so angry, Bear? Are you not excited about some of the offerings coming in 2026 and beyond to the park? So we wrap up this video in front of the Brazil Food and Wine booth, mostly because it smells absolutely incredible, and so I just want to stand here a minute. I am actually really excited about some of the stuff coming to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Obviously, we always love Howl-O-Scream. We always love Christmas Town. The We Are Oktoberfest show sounds like fun. This year, I'm going to try to get out to Beer Fest. I would really like to. But what about those, like surveyed rides that are coming to the park? The dark ride, the family-style dark ride attraction, that is probably number one on my excite list on that list. But what's yours? Leave us a comment down below. Let us know which of those rides you like to see the most or see first. I mean, I'm sure we'd like to see all of them. Which one would you like to see first? And while you're down there, give us a thumbs up on this video. It really helps us out to know that you want to see more Busch Gardens Williamsburg content. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when we release that content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.